This is an update on HSY, the Hershey company, part of the confectioners consumer defensive sector, and I had mentioned in my previous video how I'd been bearish on this stock for quite some time, with negative and bearish divergences really constructing and establishing themselves on all three indicators all the way going back since 2019. And as of now, this is a clear and solid close on a break below this minor trend line here off the December 2021 lows, and this is as good as a sell signal as you can possibly get. Snap that 50-day moving average. We have multiple divergent highs, really again completely just constructing all the way since 2019. And usually the bigger the divergences, the bigger the fall off this weekly pattern, off a deliberation bearish, beautiful looking deliberation bearish continuation pattern, consolidated, and boom, snapped, broke down below, and we got a sell signal intact now. And you know, my move would be that 192.55, you know, which will correlate and coincide with that 50 weekly moving average. And I still remain you know, longer term bearish for us to revisit this primary trend line. And you know, if we take out that trend line as well, that's another snap, then we'll take out that 182 price support coinciding with it, put in a secondary sell signal, which is good for another 12%, down to 173.09 for a 16.7% drop. And snap that, you know, could take us down and potentially for a run for the 200 weekly moving average, and this primary trend line here off the 2009 great financial collapse. So we'll see if we get it, and you know, maybe this is the beginning stages of something bigger, and we'll see what happens. But again, just massive divergent highs all over the place, and we already did have that minor breakdown off this rising bearish pattern, rising wedge pattern, broke down, back tested 2 days in a row, right to the T, snapped back to that 50-day moving average, came in consolidated, and we got their big sell signal down today. So we'll see how it plays out, see how it pans out. I'll keep you updated if I see any more significant construction and or trend changes in this company. So hit that like and subscribe button.